Happy Saturday. It's Regina from Pamper Soaps. Today I'm making our Kiss Me Lavender soap. I have my oils already to go, and I have my lye water right here. So as I always do, I'm going to go ahead and pour this and mix this up off camera. I will pour it on camera for you though. Okay, and I'm going to mix it up off camera so we're not wasting time, and mix up my colors. The colors that I'll be using today will be titanium dioxide for the white, a golden mica, and a purple violet for the color. So we'll have 3 colors today. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up off camera and separate it to get my colors going, and I will be right back. So hang tight, we'll be back. Okay, welcome back everyone. We are back. I have mixed up all of my colors. Have my purple and my titanium dioxide here, if you can see that, and then I have a little bit of my gold. Again, we do these type of videos every Saturday, so if you like the how-to videos on cold processed soap and candles and herbal medicine, we do that every Saturday. Please check us out on social media. We are at Facebook and Instagram at pamperedsoaps.com, and you can find our actual website at pamperedsoaps.com. All right, let's pour this up. Let me spray with alcohol here. If you like this video, please like. All the likes help us out tremendously since we are a new channel. All right, we're going to go ahead and pour just a little bit of the purple. All right. There we go. Let me tap that a little bit. And then we're going to do the white. And this is not a drop swirl. I'm actually going to swirl this here in a minute so you can see it. Let me grab my skewer. All right. And I'm just going to make some zigzag swirls right now. That's all I'm doing. All right. There we go. Before I do the next layer, hope you can see that. If you can't, that's what it looks like. All right. Let's pour the next purple layer. There we go. And let's do some more white. Here we go. There we go. All right. That looks pretty good. All right. And let me go ahead and swirl that part. Here we go. All right. Yep, got a big lump there. Let's fix that. Okay. Beautiful. And here we go. Keep layering it. There we go. All right. We'll leave a little bit of the white for the top part as well. There we go. Okay. And there I go, as always, making a mess, because that's what I do. All right. As long as the soap comes out pretty, I don't care. All right. There we go. All right. We're going to go ahead and try to top this off all the way with the purple now. Okay. Let me get my spatula so I can scrape it a little bit. I have scented this batch with some handmade essential oil that we make ourselves with infused lavender buds. So this essential oil is handmade. It's not anything that we actually bought. So we do make some of our own handmade essential oils, and the lavender is one of them. Okay, let me put this out of the way. And then let's put some of this here. Let me stir this up a little bit though, because this white is getting thick. My goodness. Let me stir this up a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to tap this a little bit for you guys so we can just even it out. And then we're just going to finish this top off, of course, with some beautiful white all the way through. And I'm going to have to probably grab my spatula again, of course. But that's okay. I don't mind doing that. Yeah, we're going to have to grab the spatula, I think. Alright. Alright, let me grab my spatula. Okay. See if we can get the rest of this titanium out of here, because it's just being difficult. It does not want to come out. And there I go, making my mess again. Alright. I promise it will be beautiful when it's finished. Don't worry about the mess that I'm making right now, because I can clean all of that up, which I will in a minute. Alright. And then we're just going to take a little bit of, use the other end of my skewer here, the gold. I like to give it a little hint of gold. And we're just going to pour this right on top, because I'm going to swirl it. So we're just going to do just like this. This is what you see right now. So just a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and put that on top. And we're going to swirl it. I'm going to try to make a pretty swirl here. It's pretty full on me now, but that's okay. I don't mind that. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Reminds me when I was a kid, just playing in dirt and playing with clay. All right, there we go. I want to mix some of this purple, so we're going to grab some of that purple. Not too much, just a hint, because I'm going to actually put some buds on top as well. So I just want the top to have a little bit of gold. Just a hint to offset those dried buds when we put on top. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. Hope you guys like it too. All right. Alrighty. And let me see. Let me grab my lavender buds. Good thing they're handy. I always keep them pretty handy. And we're just going to put these like right down the middle. I don't put too much on this soap, just a little bit down the middle. And then I'm going to push them in a little bit. One of my pet peeves with my soap, I do not like anyone using any of the exfoliants. In this case, it would be the lavender buds that come off right away in the shower. So I really hate that. So I am going to push these babies down just a pinch, so they are not just sitting at the very top. They're be embedded in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray it with alcohol. And we're golden. All right, let's spray that top part with alcohol. I'm going to clean up my mess, and I'll show you what it looks like in 24 hours when we cut it. Thank you for watching again. Please like this video if you like these type of videos. It will really help us out because we are a new channel. And we will see you next Saturday for another how-to video. Until then, be blessed, and we'll come back with the cutting video. Take care.